In a beautiful forest, two parrots lived on a large banyan tree. One parrot was bright green named Kiwi, and the other was shiny black named Shadow. Nearby lived a kind rabbit called Snowy. At first, Kiwi and Shadow argued because they looked different. Snowy taught them that friendship is more important than color or appearance. One day, a hunter came into the forest. Shadow warned everyone with his loud voice while Kiwi guided Snowy to safety. Together, they escaped danger. After that day, the three friends stayed united forever, sharing food, playing near the river, and happily protecting one another in the forest.